Hi there, hi Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second regular puzzle in today's newspaper of Wednesday. It's Wednesday, April the 5th, 2023, and I've already solved one regular puzzle. Two puzzles remain: the Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix, and this one, the Medium Sudoku. I have not so good news. In today's newspaper there are no extra puzzles, no additional, so I will do the rest of the puzzle in the evening of the yesterday's edition. But let me start with this one. By the way, the news of today, well, today it's war day number 406. 406 days ago the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, Sudoku medium number 6230. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for a 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Let me see which number I can pick. Come on. The 2 in the last column, the 2 in the column next. So that column, oh, we already have a 2 here. 5, 6, 6. Come on. What's happening? 3, 5, 4, 5, 3, 3. What's happening? 8 in the last row. 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this row. Should be there. Then 6 and a 4. So 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6. Alright. 4. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for 3 should be there. 7, 5 here. 7, 5, the 9, the 6. Need a 6 here. Come on. 7, 3. Need a 3 here. 8 should be there. Still thinking. The 9. 2, 9. Come on. 8. Need an 8 there. Still thinking. 7, 2, 8. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. Actually 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have 2 and 8 in this big square, so no 2 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 and 8 in this row, so no 2 and 8 in that box. So the 2 and 8 goes in these two boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. 6, 2. Okay. And now we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Yeah. 2, 3. 3, yeah. 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3, 3, cannot continue with the 3 now. 4, 4, okay. 7, 7, 7. Then 9, 9. 1 and a 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 2. We have a 2 in the third column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 1, 7, 6, 1, 7, 6, 1, 7, 6. 7, 6, okay. 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So here and 8 in this row, so no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Right. Okay, 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this row, middle row, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers are left now in the third column for numbers, the 4 and the 6. 4 and the 6, we have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2 is missing. We have 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column is 3. In the middle column, there only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, or there. You see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 6 and 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 4, 4. Let me think. Okay. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and the 7. 7, 1, 6 and the 4. 6 and the 4. Come on. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, there are only 2 places left for the 6. Could be here, could be there. 3, 3. Come on, 3, 3. 1, 1, 1. 5, 5. Still thinking. 5. But 9, 9, 9. 1, 3, 3. Okay. 2, 2. We have a 5. So we 5, 5. Okay. Need a 6. 6 could be here. 5, 6. Need a 2. 2 could be here. And 5. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this row, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. We have a 2 and a 5 in this column, so no 2 and 5 in that box. So the 2 and a 5 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6. It goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 6. Now we have a 6 here in the last row. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 4 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. We have a 1 in this row. Second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 9 goes and there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the second column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. But we have a 7 here, and we have a 7 there. That means in the third row, the 7 should be there. Yeah, one of the missing number in the third row is the number 7. Here can be 7 because we have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. Here can be 7 because we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 in the third row should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Two missing numbers in the first column. Four numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 3 goes there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, there are only 2 places left. 1, 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column, the 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5. No. We have a 4 here. 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, and the 6. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 and the 7, we have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes. And there, finish in 16 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. Definitely a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the last puzzle in this daily newspaper. Yeah. See you later. Bye bye for now.